Joining us to take a look at a broader picture for gold today is Gary Wagner, editor and publisher of thegoldforecast.com. Gary, thanks for being back with us on the show.
Great to be here and excited to be part of the team for 2016.
Thanks, Gary. Well, let's take a look on gold. On Thursday, the metal posted its largest one-day drop since mid-December. How do you expect the markets to close off this week here, Gary?
Well, in terms of them closing off, it's obviously, I believe, going to continue to close off under pressure. The anticipation right now is that the Fed is on track to raise interest rates a minimum of 2 or 3 times this year. And that's what fueled the nice equities rally that we saw yesterday on Thursday. And I think that as long as that continues, there could be more pressure on the precious metals market, specifically gold.
So based on the activity that we are seeing, what key levels are you eyeing for the metal, Gary?
Well, once it broke through 1080, and 1080 to me was a very, very important Fibonacci level, the next real levels we have to look at in terms of support side are around 1065, which was a recent low, and 1045, which was the lowest low we hit ever since gold traded to 1900 and began moving down.
But you know what, Gary? It really seemed that gold was really off to a good start this year. So if we pull up a longer term chart, does the picture change for the metal?
Well, the way that it changes is when we do look at the long-term chart, we can see that we're at a pretty critical level at around 1067, and there still can be a case on a technical model that what we witnessed was a long and protracted correction, but yet a correction. It was a bear market. We're in a bear market in gold, but it could signal that we could see a potential bottom. But again, this has really been fundamentally based, and our wild card, I believe, is China, because the U.S. and global economies have recovered from the recession. There's no doubt about that. But growth is slower than expected. And that's where we're getting a lot of our mixed signals.
Gary, thanks so much for your thoughts. We'll see what's in store next week. Have a great weekend.
Thank you so much. Have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
And thanks for watching this edition of Kitco's Gold Report. We'll see you next week.